Hey, welcome to Geekoutdoors.com. If you're new to my channel, you're wondering what this whole channel is about. Well, quite simply, I am a Linux content creator and marketer. So what this means is I use a free and open source operating system called Linux to actually create content and all the digital marketing that is behind the scenes. And so if you are interested in not only the Linux operating system and all the many wonderful free and open source tools, you can also learn how to be a content creator and also how to market the content that you've created. And so that's something that you're interested in. Be sure to stick around and check out all my various playlists, which will teach you not only how to use this operating system, but also use it in a way to improve your content creation and marketing skills. So if you had any thoughts on Geek Outdoors, be sure to leave it in the comments area below, and welcome.
Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.